Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial, I am going to show you about how to reset your root password in Ubuntu 15.04 server, that is 64-bit supported. You can also do this same method, this procedure in Ubuntu 15.04 server 32-bit supported. So the same method you need to follow that I am going to show you, and you can also set not only root password, you can also set your host name whichever you have given during the installation. You can also set. So let us begin now. So my friend, this is my Ubuntu 15.04 server, and I'm going to show you how to reset your root password or root password. You can also set your host name, whatever the username you have given during the installation. You can set your password. If you have forget the password for the root or host name or username, whichever you have given during the installation, you can set completely. For that one, what you have to do, just open your Ubuntu server and restart. You need to click on this Control Alt Delete to restart, and after that you need to wait for the boot menu. So here is your boot menu is there, and you need to click on press any key after the restart. So you need to press immediately any key to avoid booting. So you need to click on advanced boot option here. Just you need to click here E here. After that you need to press a small E, and you need to scroll down, and when you scroll down, so what you need to find is, you need to find this one, Linux and /boot/vm Linux. This is your version is there, kernel boot. This is your root ID is there, and this one is your completely ID is there. So this one is the read write or read other side. This one is arrow is nothing but read other. So just press space here, and you need to type here int and give a semicolon like /bin, and then give /bash. Also you can give this one, or also you can write here one numerical one also you can give, and also you can give single one also. Just after writing any three of this option, you need to just what you have to do is, you need to press Ctrl X or press F10 to boot this one. So press Ctrl X or F10 to boot this one, and to press enter here. After pressing enter here, it will be come with your save mode, that means in a root mode, where you can set your password here. So just wait. So here is same, it's showing that we need to press Ctrl D for the maintenance of root password. That means we need to enter the, so here we came here on this save mode is there, that means root. Just you need to type password and give root here. So press enter here. So it's going to be asking the new password. Give the password and type the same password, press enter. So that has been successfully updated. In place of password, you can give like, if you want to give here cloud, which I have given during the installation. So just type, remove the root, and just type the username and enter the password. So this is the method where you can set root and hostname or username, whichever you have given. Just type the password and give the username. So this is the method for resetting or forget your the password. So please, after that you can type exit, and to come up here menu. So here you can see login. I'm going to log in here, cloud password. So here you can see I have been logging here, and also I will show you about, this is your login method is there. For the root, type su, type the password. So here is the, you can see on screen I have been logging with the root and also with the user. So my friend, thank you for watching IT Cloud9 video. Please share my video and like my video, and share my videos to among your friends and relatives. And thank you for watching IT Cloud9. If you have any doubt, you can comment below to my video.